Humanitarian parole application stuck? Let's talk about it. I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal. We help clients get legal status in the United States through green cards and TPS. If you're interested in working with us on your own immigration case, visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about us. So this video is going to be really quick. I just want to go through what's happening with this latest humanitarian parole program. But just as a recap, back in January, the Biden administration created this new humanitarian parole program specifically for immigrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. The program promises to allow 30,000 people into the U.S. each month, provided they pass a background check and are able to secure a financial sponsor. This program mirrors other programs that are similar, such as Uniting for Ukraine, Venezuela's parole program, as well as allowing people from Afghanistan to come into the U.S. as well. But since the program rolled out for these 4 countries in January, there's been a little bit of mixed success here and there. So I want to cover 5 things that you should know if you are waiting for a decision on your humanitarian parole application through the Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela program. Number 1, this is basically a lottery. Like right now, it is H-1B lottery season where a lot of people will find out whether or not they've been selected to apply for an H-1B visa. This humanitarian parole program is kind of functioning in that same way. Number 2, applications are supposed to be processed on a case-by-case basis, first come, first served kind of thing. But as we know, USCIS has a tendency to do what they want, and they're not really giving us a lot of information about how they're making their decisions and how they're processing these applications. Number 3, these applications, the case processing time is supposed to be 90 days. However, as with everything else in USCIS and other immigration agencies, case processing times vary. So you really can't go by what you see online. However, if your application has been pending for over 90 days, you should definitely reach out to USCIS to find out what's happening. With the other programs, because there's one for Ukraine and then there's a previous one for Venezuela, we have been seeing that people who have applied for the Venezuelan parole program that came out last year, we're now just seeing approvals for that, and this is March. So just be patient. Your application is being processed as best as USCIS can. Number 4, don't assume that if you reapply that you're going to get an approval. The opposite can actually happen. If you go and submit multiple applications for parole under this program, your application could actually get denied because now you're going to have duplicates in the system. And finally, which might be the most important thing to understand about this program, approval does not mean that you're actually going to be allowed into the United States. If you are approved through this program and you get a travel document, that travel document allows you to come to the United States. But once you make it to the United States airport, CBP is going to determine whether or not they're going to actually allow you to come into the U.S. with parole. So I just wanted to share these 5 quick things. I understand that a lot of people are going through a lot in their home countries and they're anxiously waiting to get a decision. But it really is just a patient waiting game. All agencies are doing the best they can under the circumstances, and there are a lot of people applying. Under this program, 30,000 people per month are able to come in, but I'm sure that even more than that are applying through this program. I do hope that if you have applied that an approval comes your way, but until then, we really just have to be patient. I hope this video was helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and my services. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Please be sure to share this video with anybody that you know who is waiting to hear back on a decision in their case. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. I am at Brazen Lawyer, and I'm always sharing awesome tips over there. Thanks for watching.